Every spinning mill strives for perfection, consistent weight, zero mix-ups, and reliable dispatches. Introducing Indo Technology's Auto Cone Pack, bag with cone inspection system, the next generation of complete packing automation. The operator places cones in sets, 24, 32, or as required per bag, on the auto retrieval system. The system records the total weight and checks if it's within the set tolerance. Any deviation is displayed for correction before processing. Every cone passes through Cone Eye, Indo Technology's AI-based cone inspection system. It detects tip color, pattern, and shade variations under visible and UV light, ensuring zero mix-ups and no shade deviation. The inspected cones are automatically wrapped and sealed, ready for packing, clean, consistent, and contamination-free. Wrapped cones are arranged into precise matrices, optimizing placement and bag stability. The system places the cones directly into bags. The bottom layer is placed first, followed by the top, ensuring stable stacking and smooth packing. Once the bag is filled, it's automatically tilted upright, perfectly positioned for stitching and dispatch. A smart label with QR code is generated and applied on the bag. It contains complete details, mill name, lot, order, count, and weights, customizable to your needs. The Auto Cone Pack system is fully integrated with your ERP, showing live data on order-wise packing, lot progress, total weight packed, and more. Management gets real-time visibility into performance, uptime, and inspection reports. With Indo Technology's Auto Cone Pack bag system, you gain zero human errors, perfect weight and shade accuracy, end-to-end traceability, reduced manpower, and real-time visibility. Indo Technology, redefining the future of textile automation.